Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based Faucet website. You can claim Bitcoin Cash from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this all videos is free earning websites. Okay, this is the website. The website is Bitcoin Cash. You can earn this much Bitcoin Cash every 0 second, and this is the one of this Faucet website that I think I made to my website, and you can see this is all the payment this website you can earn. Okay, first go to your Faucetpay, go to deposit, copy your website link. This is your Bitcoin Cash and copy and paste it. Okay, and then solve for this capture. Solve this letter capture bicycle. Just click check and just click get reward. Okay, oh sorry, I messed up about the wallet address, but this website sent me okay, you can see this much BTC this website sent my Bitcoin Cash, and I just solve again, I reload again. Okay, I just remove the Bitcoin Cash in here, and again solve the capture and the bicycle. Just click get reward, and you can see this website again sent me this much Satoshi. Okay, and I reload again my Faucetpay. You can see this much Satoshi again sent me, and you can reload again and you can earn again. This is the one of the best way you can earn much more, unlimited way you can earn from this website. Okay, this website link available in description. You can join with my link and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, just solve this letter capture and you can earn it. Okay, you can see I solved the capture. I just click get reward, and this website sent me again my free BTC Satoshi. Okay, every second you can earn without timer, without anything, and you can earn. You can see this much BTC I earn again. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.